All right, let's talk affiliate marketing. It ain't no walk in the park, that's for sure. And I should know, I've been doing this for more than a decade. So my guess is that you're watching this video because you're maybe thinking about dabbling in affiliate marketing or getting into it full time. And you kind of just want to know what the biggest pros and cons are. So I just thought it'd be helpful really for us to sit down and just kind of go through what the biggest pros and cons of affiliate marketing are, just to give you that realistic picture of kind of, what life as a full-time affiliate marketer looks like. So yeah, let's go through the pros and then we'll go through the cons. In my opinion, my humble opinion, affiliate marketing is the best online business model for beginners. And I've already kind of touched on this a little bit, but here's what I like to say. Affiliate marketing is not easy, but it is incredibly simple. So you don't need any coding experience or any technical know-how. You don't need to go and study a degree for 3-4 years at university before you can start. Anybody can be an affiliate marketer. As I say, you just sign up to, let's say, Amazon as an example, and then you just go out and start promoting their links. Your main goal really is to get more clicks. The more clicks that you get to your links, the more sales and more revenue that you're going to generate. And it really is as simple as that. So when you look at when you compare affiliate marketing to other online business models like dropshipping, for example, dropshipping is a high risk. It can be high return too, but it's a very high risk business model where you have to put a lot of money up front, right? For paid ads, just to find a supplier, you have to deal with all the shipping problems that arise and all the customer complaints and all that kind of thing. So there's a lot more involved with something like drop shipping, where as affiliate marketing, as I say, it is more hands-off. Your main goal is basically lead generation. So I love the simplicity of it. I started affiliate marketing. It's the only online business model I've done. I've tried other things unsuccessfully, but affiliate marketing, when I started it 10 years ago and stuck with it, is the only business model that I've been truly successful with, and I've been able to, build multiple 6-7 figure businesses with. So yeah, it's definitely the best online business model for beginners, without a doubt. So I would say the second biggest affiliate marketing pro would be, it's never been easier to start right now. Even compared to when I started 10 years ago, things are just so much easier and more straightforward because of all the AI tools and the software that's out there. So whatever it is you want to do, whether it's creating images, there's great software out there like Canva, or creating a website, there's great web builders out there. Whatever it is, there's AI content creators, before you used to have to do everything manually, right? You'd have to know coding to build a website. You'd have to sit there for hours creating, content. Now there's just so much software. There's email software, there's landing page software, you name it, it's out there. So it's never been a better time to start. Another thing too is that affiliate marketing is growing year on year. More people are buying online than ever before. Affiliate marketers are making more money than ever before. So yeah, there's really never been a better time to start. Now let's talk about a pro that puts a smile on everybody's face, and that's the low running costs. So one of the beautiful things about affiliate marketing is you don't need to invest a ton of capital up front to get your business up and running. Actually, you can start for free, and if you go to the simoncrow.com/start, I'll show you how you can actually start for free, and with the maximum running costs would be $49 a month, and that would include your keyword research tools, your website builders, your hosting, your domain registration, also giving access to a 2.6 million plus community, the biggest community of affiliate marketers online, and as well as step-by-step training and coaching and mentorship from myself personally as well. So, as you can see, you don't have to break the bank, and yet the profit margins are extremely high. Here's another big one, which I personally love, and that's your passion becomes your paycheck. So think about how many people are out there, and I've been there, I've done that are in soul-crushing jobs that they have zero interest in, right? And they spend 8 hours a day sat in an office talking about things they're just not interested in at all. As I say, I've been there, I've done that. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you can choose any passion. It could be anything. If you're passionate about crocheting or knitting or kayaking, you love the outdoors, or you're just fanatical about jigsaw puzzles, or maybe you like the latest tech gadgets, or maybe you're a cycling enthusiast, whatever it may be, you can take that passion and you can turn that into a full-time, thriving online business with affiliate marketing. And I think that's pretty cool because for me, right now I love what I do. I talk about topics that I'm really interested in. I love to help people, and that's what I get to do on a daily basis now. And so yeah, you can actually wake up in the morning excited about getting into work and about building an online empire for yourself. And I think that's huge. I think another really important thing to keep in mind is that the sky is the limit when it comes to your income. Kind of with any online business really, but especially with affiliate marketing. Just think, when you work in the traditional 9 to 5, it doesn't matter how hard you work, how many hours you put in, your income is just going to be capped. Unless you get a pay rise at your yearly review, your income is going to be capped. And that's not the case with affiliate marketing. The more work you put in, the more rewards you will get. It's really as simple as that. And people, with the high commission rates, with the low running costs, equals high profit margins for you as an affiliate marketer. And people are getting great results with affiliate marketing too. Take this guy, for example. Daniel pocketed $1,100 in just 7 days. And then Michael, he consistently rakes in over 40,000 per month. Can you imagine what difference $40,000 a month would make to your life? And Rupi here, who's actually a friend of mine, I know him personally, scored a whopping $40,051 in just 30 days from 2 affiliate marketing websites. So as you can see, the earning potential is huge and there's no limit on how much you can earn. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is with affiliate marketing, you can work anytime and anywhere. So I really love this because affiliate marketing fits around your schedule, fits around your daily routine, your patterns, right? So you don't have to follow that you'd be clock watching anymore. You don't have to, if you're more creative, if you can get more work done at a certain time, well, guess what? You are in control. You can choose to work at those times. And of course, you can work anywhere. All you need with affiliate marketing is a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. If you want to work in a coffee shop one day, go ahead, no one is gonna stop you. If you wanna work at home, if you wanna work like I am, I'm in my condo here in Bangkok right now, I can work in Thailand, I could go to Bali next week if I wanted, I could go for 3 months and I can work there. I can work anywhere in the world and you can too. So another really cool thing is that you can choose as an affiliate from over 550 million products, affiliate products that there are online. Trust me, there is no shortage of products or services that you can promote online as an affiliate marketer. And this kind of goes on from what I was saying earlier about how you can take any passion, whatever that may be, however random you might think it is, whatever hobby, interest it may be, and turn that into a thriving online business. Because whatever your passion is, there are bound to be relevant products and services that your audience wants and needs out there that you can promote to earn those big commissions. Next big pro, I would say, is hassle-free transactions. So what do I mean by this? Well, what I mean is your job as an affiliate marketer is to send people over to, let's say, Amazon or Etsy or eBay, whatever it may be, Walmart, Big Buy, and you let them take care of the rest. So you don't have to hold any products or any inventory personally. You don't have to deal with any of the shipping or the packaging, the packing. You don't have to deal with the customer service headaches or anything like that. It really is as simple as people come to your website, your social media channels, YouTube, whatever it may be. You recommend this product that you believe in, send them over to Best Buy website, and then they buy. Your job's done. You let them take care of the rest. All right, so before we get into the cons, the last pro that I would want to share with you is passive paydays really are possible with affiliate marketing. What I'm not saying here is, you can click a few buttons, get everything set up in an hour, and then, sit back, relax, and watch as the profits roll in. It's not like that. Affiliate marketing is a lot of work, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. But passive paydays really are possible. So once you've built up your business, right, and you've got momentum in your business, you will still keep getting paid. You will earn money while you sleep. So personally, I've just got a notification there. Personally, I've had, I've taken 3 months sabbaticals before. I needed a break and I still got paid in that 3 months. My business did not slow down. The automated processes kept working for me. I also have websites that are 2-3 years old that I haven't touched, and they're still making income to this day. Right, I've gone on to work to other projects. So, the time and the effort that you put in once, whether it's to create a blog post or a video or a social media post, that you send that out into the online world, send that out onto the internet, and it will keep driving that traffic and those sales for many months and sometimes even years down the line. So that is pretty cool. All right, so they're the wonderful, amazing things about affiliate marketing that I absolutely love, and I would never trade them in for anything else. But now let's not sugarcoat this, and let's dive straight into the biggest con of affiliate marketing, which is the high failure rate. So 95% of wannabe affiliate marketers who get into this business never make a single penny. What's the reason for this? I think the main part is they don't stick with it long enough to get their breakthrough, to see results. And maybe because they've been sold on this idea somewhere, that it's just click button 3 times and you'll start seeing the revenue rolling in. It doesn't work like that. Affiliate marketing is a real business, and like with any business, you're going to have to put in the work up front before you start to see the rewards. So yeah, it definitely takes perseverance. You're definitely going to have to hustle. You're going to have to put in a lot of work before you see the results. And I think, yeah, that's probably why the high failure rate. But if you're one of the people who, can stick it out, you've got the grit, the determination to succeed, then, you can buck this trend, that's for sure. Okay, you ready for the second con? It's this. Affiliate marketing can be a lonely hustle. So, expect to spend hours in solitude, sitting in your home office or your bedroom, wherever it may be, staring at a screen, typing away on a keyboard. That's the day-to-day reality of an affiliate marketer. And not everyone is cut out for that, I don't miss my old call center jobs. I hated them. They were soul crushing, but I do miss the banter. I miss being part of a team and just, having a laugh and, all the office gossip and things like that. I do miss the banter. So yeah, I spent days, weeks, sometimes just, burning the midnight oil, sat in solitude, turning into a little hermit. So it is a solitary life. Now, if you're an introvert, right, and you're bored of the office politics, affiliate marketing is the perfect career choice, because there's no social pressure, nothing like that. It's just you can manage your own work however you like. So for some people it's a dream career. If you're an extrovert, a bit like me, then this is something that you might struggle with. And what I would say is just be very intentional about setting kind of social events, right? Definitely you want to leave the house every now and then. That's probably a good idea. So, reach out to your friends and your family and put things in the calendar so that you're not turning into a complete hermit. Affiliate marketing con number 3, things constantly change. Now, even I'm making this video in 2024, the last 12 months have seen massive changes with AI, with Google updates coming. Like with affiliate marketing, you start off, your learning curve goes shum, because there's all these skill sets that you have to learn, these high income skill sets that you have to learn, and there's a lot of learning involved. But guess what? Sorry to break it to you guys, the learning never stops. I've been doing this for 10 years and I'm still learning new things every day to this day. Just because things are changing, maybe WordPress is changing or YouTube is changing, there's always things changing. That's just the deal with online marketing and the internet as a whole. So things are constantly evolving, constantly changing. So you always have to be kind of one step ahead of the game. You always have to be keeping up with the latest trends. And so that's just something to be aware of. Con number 4, technical hiccups are very annoying. So I personally don't consider myself to be a especially technical person, really, despite running several successful websites. And so it can be annoying when sometimes, especially when you're getting started, WordPress can be a steep learning curve. And so trying to get your pages and your footers and your sidebars to be looking exactly how you want them to look can take longer than you expect. And sometimes it's going to take a bit of figuring out, and then you're just going to get technical hiccups, like maybe your website's down for the day and you're stressing out and you're having to contact the technical support team, or maybe errors are coming up in Google Search Console. Whatever it may be, there's always a technical aspect to it. You don't have to be technical. Like I say, I am definitely not, and you definitely don't need to know any coding at all, but they are very, very annoying. All right, so the next big con is the roller coaster income. Man, this is a fun ride, especially when you're used to kind of, working a 9 to 5, getting your paycheck at the end of every single month. It's nice to get that regular, consistent income. You can plan your budget, you know exactly how much money is going to be coming in. Affiliate marketing is not like that, especially in the beginning. So in the first few months when you're starting out, expect your income to be up one month, down the next, up one month, down the next. It's going to be a complete roller coaster ride. It will hopefully, in my experience anyway, kind of over time become more consistent and more reliable, and obviously you can continue to scale up and grow your income. But yeah, especially in the beginning, it's going to be a bit of a roller coaster, so that's something you really want to plan for, just to be honest with you. Okay, so this is an affiliate marketing con that you don't hear many people talking about, but I'm going to talk about it. So flexibility is a double-edged dance. So what I mean by that is, you're working for yourself, so there's no boss kind of, breathing down your neck. There's no deadlines to stick to, right? The only deadlines you have are the deadlines that you set yourself, which is great. You are in complete control of your work-life balance. But that's kind of the issue. If you're not very careful, you can fall into one of two extremes. So on this extreme, you can lack motivation, lack discipline, and go for weeks, maybe months without really getting much done. So you have to be willing to develop the self-motivation and self-discipline. On the other extreme, you can become, you can go all in, burn that midnight oil, and risk burning out because you just become so obsessed and you don't have that work-life balance. So yeah, that's a really tricky thing that you're going to have to, it's kind of an emotional skill really that you're going to have to develop, right? That getting that work-life balance right is key, especially if you want to, because we're going to be in this for the long game. If you want to be in this, you want long-term success, this is really crucial. Okay, so this is a big one. It's constant content creation. Say that 10 times really fast. So the truth is, as an affiliate marketer, I would recommend building a website, right? Building it out with helpful blog posts, guides, answering people's questions. That's the most sustainable way to build, $10,000 a month, whatever your goal may be. But that does mean that you're going to be constantly creating that content. Even if you don't have a website, whether you're doing YouTube or posting to social media, Google is always hungry for more content, more information. If you want, those sales to keep coming in through your social media, you're going to have to come up with new creative ideas, new creative posts. It's never ending. New ideas for videos for YouTube, right? To keep your audience happy, grow your channel, grow those subscribers. So that is something, it's a pressure that is always there in the back of your mind, because a day that you're not creating content is a day that your business isn't growing. So that's something to really keep in mind. Okay, so the last one I would say is that you have zero control over affiliate programs. So before I talked about how great it is just to, act as a signposting service, sending people to whatever websites, they can deal with all the rest of it. The downside to that really, and I didn't realize this for a few years, is that you have very little control in some ways over your income. So I've had personal experience of this where I built a website around this specific affiliate program, and 3-4 years down the line, they've decided for some reason or other to shut down, right? So that means my income from that site has just vanished overnight. And that does happen from time to time. A couple of years ago, Amazon decided to change their commission rates. Right? They didn't, with no pre-warning. And a lot of people have built websites purely around Amazon, sending people to Amazon, and their income halved overnight. So the great thing is, they deal with it all, but the downside is you have very little control over what affiliate programs do. They can shut down, they can change their terms and conditions, they can change their commission rates whenever they feel like it, right? So what I would say in response to that is to make sure, and what I learned through my experience was, you have to build multiple streams of income. So you start with one website around one topic, and you start promoting one product. But over time, you could be promoting 1,000 different products and services through one website. And you don't have to stop there. You can scale up your income with different websites around different topics, different niches, just to really kind of not put all your eggs in one basket and kind of diversify your income. I really hope you found that helpful. That is, in my mind, the biggest pros and cons of affiliate marketing. As I say, it's not a cakewalk, but I love it. I would not trade this in for anything else. But if you're like one of the people going, you know what, this is my year, I want to start a thriving online business, and affiliate marketing is the best way to do it, definitely check out my affiliate marketing guide. In that guide, I'm going to walk you through how to build a successful affiliate marketing business step by step from scratch. I'm also going to give you the tools, the resources, the training, and the community that you need to give yourself the very best start possible. So definitely check that out. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all about affiliate marketing, be sure to let me know in the comments. And other than that, I will see you in the next video.